Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making chocolate ganache. Beautiful, rich chocolate you can use as an icing. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Open a chilled can of coconut milk or cream and remove the hardened coconut cream from the top of the can and place it in a small measuring cup. Take a small bowl and you're going to sift in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. This is an important step to ensure that your chocolate ganache is smooth and creamy. Liquefy your coconut milk and oil. Then take 1/4 cup of maple syrup, which you're going to pour in your cocoa powder about 1 tablespoon at a time. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir in. Your mixture will become a bit moist but will still be quite dry. Slowly add in 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, about 1 tablespoon at a time. The mixture will start to become moist and creamy. Slowly add it in and combine until it is nice and smooth. Keep adding in tablespoon at a time, continuing to stir until all the coconut oil has been added and the mixture is nicely combined. Then add in 1 cup of melted coconut milk, 1/4 cup at a time, continually stirring the milk into the coconut mixture, and it will become creamier and more beautiful with each addition. Combine the coconut milk into your chocolate mixture until it is the perfect consistency. And just remember that when you chill the ganache, it will thicken up. Both the coconut milk and coconut oil will cause your ganache to thicken up and will become a beautiful addition to your cakes, your cookies, your strawberries, or however you want to use it. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.